Hi everyone! You are watching Recourse Everything About React Native. My name is Yuri and today I'm going to tell you more about Metro Bundler. Let's start. Metro is a JavaScript bundler like Webpack. Initially it was created for React Native, but today we will check how it will work for web application. It takes an entry file and gives you back a single JavaScript file which includes all your code and dependencies. When you update them, Metro updates its cache and returns a new bundle. First build takes some time, but further updates are almost immediate. Metro has three main stages. There are resolution, when it builds a tree of dependencies, transformation, when all dependencies are transformed into the format which is understandable for target platform. Usually Babel is used. Serialization, when all transformed modules are combined together into the one file. Metro has modular structure and allows you to create your own resolvers, transformers, and serializers. We are going to use Yarn as a dependency manager and install Metro and Metro Core. Now let's open our project in the VS Code and create a folder for our sources and create a sample JavaScript file. It will contain a simple console log function just to verify it works properly. Now let's create a build script which will run Metro to build our package. First, we need to load Metro's config, which we'll be able to update in the future. When the config is used, we could ask Metro to build our source file. We should define two parameters. First is entry point, it's the file which Metro will start from, and the second one is out. It defines an output folder where Metro will save our bundled application. Alright, looks like everything is ready. We need to create a dist folder. Now let's run our script and check what will happen. JavaScript.js file is created in dist folder and it contains our code. To make it more useful, let's create a web server which will return compiled JavaScript bundles. We are creating server.js file and the beginning is pretty the same as in the previous step. Now the different things comes into play. Metro has built-in web server which serves bundled files. And now everything is ready to start. Let's open our browser and check what happened. As Metro is a cross-platform tool, it serves files for web platform with bundle extension. Let's try to find our code in this file. Looks like console log is cut out from this file, so let's try to write something else. Let's replace console log with alert and try to find it. Looks easy so far. Let's create something more complicated. I'm going to add TypeScript support and create a React application. We added Babel support and I will create a configuration file for it. You can do the same, just copy and paste sample configuration from the source code which is available on GitHub. Now we need to create React part. If you are following me, do the same steps. If not, just clone the GitHub repository and try it by yourself. Now it's time to check what we created so far. We are starting server and looking for words TypeScript works inside the return file. For the first time, Metro needs some time to build the React application. Looks like it really works. The last remaining part is the page itself. I will install Express. Then we need to update the server code. Metro provides a method which generates Express middleware. We need to attach it to Express. Also, we need to configure Express to serve static files from public folder. I am creating public folder and index.html file inside it, which will be an entry point for our React application. It will have one root element and a script tag which will load our TypeScript code. Now let's start our server. Oops, something went wrong. I know, let's fix it. And try again. Good. I have a browser which has already URL. Looks like it works. Let's update something. Hello world would be good. Okay. Oops. Let's reload the page. Great. Let's do some more updates. The key idea here is reload and bundling process happens very quickly and it almost doesn't depend on the size of the application. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. In one of the next videos we will talk more about resolvers, transformers and serializers for Metro Bundler. Leave your feedback in the comments. See you.